Hello and welcome to 3D Scenics. Today I have a video for you guys as Modular Hill from Printable Scenery. I put the links below in the subscription. Yeah, it's in 3 parts, so you can play them whatever you like. Going to zoom out. Like so. Yeah, they're pretty nice. They're very basic. I'm going to zoom now in, like so you can see. So yeah, I need to clean this because it's just printed. Yeah, it's a pretty cool scenery. You can. It's very modular, so you can play them as one. You can play them as two hills, as you can see. And third part on top. Then you have one big hill. You can play them as rocks as well, so yeah, they're multi-functional. You can put it up, you can play it like so, or like so. I will paint this in a video pretty soon. The other ones are just the same category, so yeah, you got this one. They have a little textures on the top, so when you paint it, it will get a rock structure. Okay, so you can play them like so. You can do it whatever you like on the things. So yeah. So this is till 2 and till 3. They have a third structure as well. So when let's see that you see. Okay. So you can do it. So. Then you have a 3-leveled hill. Okay, like so. You can play them as rocks. You can play them as everything what you like. So you can flock these as well if you like to flock. Just flock them on the top. You can paint them as desert logs, rocks. Rock hills. Can pretty much do everything you like. Okay, so I'm pretty happy how they came out with the printer. Yeah, there are multiple sets, so print time it was interesting. Yeah, like so. Print time at really depends on how big they are. You can enlarge them, make them smaller. The more you grade them up, and yeah, the more you make them bigger, the more print time you currently have. So that's about it. The smaller, how easier and faster they are printed. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you like the channel, click on the subscribe button. Yeah, I will post videos of them painted really soon on my channel. So stay tuned for that. I have plenty more videos to come. So keep an eye of the next one. Okay, see you next time. Bye.